Hi friends, Uchi here, Uchi as in Gucci. I'm really excited to show you the project that I worked on at this hackathon. So currently, when I want to send a reward to event participants, it's really hard, especially when they are distributed globally. So there's really no easy way to send a flexible reward to people across the world. So I organize a hackathon, and let's say there are 1,000 participants and they are distributed in 50 countries. And I want to be able to pay for their internet subscription. There's really no easy way to do that currently. And this leaves a lot of event organizers confused. Some of them spend a lot of money trying to find the account numbers or the phone numbers of all of the participants and then trying to figure out what mobile networks those participants are part of. So this also leaves a bad experience, especially for virtual events when people cannot get swags. Uh, it's really hard to incentivize participants to be happy to participate in the event. So Chimoney changes this. And what it does is that it makes it super easy for event organizers, human resources teams, DevRel teams to issue rewards or gifts to drive engagement. So Chimoney is a platform, an API and token that makes it super easy to send rewards with the click of the button. And these rewards can be redeemed for anything, including Bitcoin Cash. For this hackathon, the focus was on making it super easy to exchange Chi money for Bitcoin Cash without having to download an external wallet. So I'm going to show you a demo of how that works in a bit. So how it works, how Chimoney works is that as a company or an organizer of an event, all you need to do is go to the platform, enter the email or the Twitter username of all of the participants in your event, and then click a button. All of them get a notification, and then they click on the link and they're able to redeem Chimoney for Bitcoin Cash, for airtime or internet data in up to 15 countries, and even swag right on the Chimoney platform. And the exciting part is that as a developer, you have the ability to use Chimoney in your platform. So let's say you have 1,000 participants that submitted projects on DevPost, and you want to be able to issue rewards to certain participants that picked some categories. You can export the submissions and then call the Chimoney API using the SDK to issue rewards to people that meet some criteria. And we looked at the competitive landscape, so what other people are doing. And what we discovered was that we have competition, but we see those competition as collaborators because with Chimoney, you can redeem Bitcoin Cash, you can redeem gift cards. We've partnered with Amazon Incentive, and all of this drives utility for the blockchain ecosystem and also for Bitcoin Cash. So moving on to the opportunity, we see Chimoney as being able to be integrated with Zoom. So let's say you have a live event and you want to be able to pay for the time or the internet that all of the participants are using, regardless of where they are located in the world. So the Chimoney Zoom app can be used to click a button and all live participants get a notification that they've been rewarded with Chimoney, and they click on that link and they're able to redeem directly in a single click Bitcoin Cash to their wallet. And just to test the usability and the excitement of the community, we decided to run a contest a few hours ago. And within about 2 hours, we got so much comment. The engagement was really high. And as I speak to you, people are still commenting and letting us know what they want to use Chi money for and how they want to be able to redeem Chi money to Bitcoin Cash. So also we did some survey just by talking to people that have been able to receive Chimoney and notice that all of them are asking for crypto. They want to be able to exchange Chimoney for something like Bitcoin Cash. And we know that the utility is there. And we know that this will open up an opportunity for those that don't have access to crypto to get on board. So I'm going to now switch over to the demo where I show you how Chi money is used. In this scenario, I want to send Chi money to someone's Twitter username. So it could be that they want to give away, they use the hashtag on my platform, and I want to send them $2 in Chi money. So all I need to do is enter two there, and then I enter their Twitter username. In this case, I'm going to send it to myself. So the account I'm signed into already has some discount, so I don't need to pay. But normally, when you're issuing Chimoney, you have to pay uh, for it. So in this case, I don't have to pay because I have some credit in my Chimoney wallet. So when I click send, it processes the transaction and then it sends a notification to the Twitter username and also post about it. So in this case, I got a notification. If I switch back there, so about 6 seconds ago, I got this notification. Hi, you've won Chimoney. Redeem it for airtime crypto gift card. So when I click on that, it takes me to the redeem page. And before this hackathon, you could only redeem Chimoney for airtime in 15 countries. But we just added this new feature here where you can exchange Chimoney for Bitcoin Cash anywhere in the world. And this is very powerful because it opens up the world it opens up lots of opportunity for those that are new to the ecosystem because for one reason they don't have to pay for this. They don't have to worry about paying with a credit card and all of those things, right? They already received this Chi money and then they can exchange it for Bitcoin Cash. And secondly, we made it super easy to create a wallet by integrating a non-custodial web wallet to the flow. So in this case, when I click on redeem, it tells me to enter my wallet address or to log in with the wallet. So when I click on that, I'm able to log in with this wallet by sign up cash. But I'm not going to do that for now. I'm just going to enter that Bitcoin Cash address. And when I click on deposit, what it does is that it exchanges the chill money or the reward that I received and then gives me Bitcoin Cash to my wallet address. And with just this simple flow, it opens up a lot of opportunity for people in Africa that don't have access to Bitcoin, that would not have access to credit cards to even pay for Bitcoin Cash in Bitcoin.com websites and things like that. So the utility is already there. They can then decide to exchange this Bitcoin Cash to Chimoney back to Chimoney and then redeem for airtime to join Zoom calls to learn and things like that. And in the future, they'll be able to exchange this Bitcoin Cash back to Chimoney and then they'll be able to redeem devices like laptops to further their learning career. And they can even exchange other cryptocurrency right on this Chimoney redeem page. So when I click on deposits, I confirm that I want to do that. I click yes, and then it does all of the transactions for me. It exchanges my Chi money to Bitcoin Cash, and then I get a confirmation that that has been done. So now the transaction is successful. It just takes me to the frequently asked questions page. So that's it. The ease and the utility of this is already there. We already saw that uh, on Twitter, people are excited about this, right? So people are really excited about Chimoney. They want to be able to exchange from Chimoney to Bitcoin Cash, and also it opens up a lot of windows for collaboration, for engagement, and things like that in the blockchain ecosystem. So moving on back to the slides, I'm going to open up the slides again. And then let's move on to the future of Chimoney. So Chimoney launched, we started working on Chimoney last month, and already you can redeem airtime in 15 countries. And as at this hackathon, as at today, you can redeem Bitcoin Cash, which is super exciting. So for July 2021, we want to be able to have a our crypto token on mainnet. So it's already on testnet for now, but we want to be able to have it on mainnet and want to make it also super easy by having an in-app web wallet where so we don't have to like switch to a different contest while redeeming or managing Chi money. It's all gonna be non-custodial and all that. And also want to establish an easier way to exchange Chi money for other cryptocurrency. And then finally, by September 2021, we want a public APIs where developers will be able to integrate easily with Chimoney on their apps. And then there are some plans, some growth plans that we have. By March of this year, we want to be able to integrate with Zoom so people can receive Chimoney, exchange it for Bitcoin Cash live during a live event. And this has the power or potential of really increasing live engagement at hackathons, at conferences, and things like that. And by May 2021, we're going to be the official reward partner of 20 hackathons across the world because I'm the founder of Africa Hacks, who I'm founder of Africa Hacks and we have lots of hackathons. So we're able to like reach 30,000 people with one action that we take. And then to drive utility, we want to launch the Chimoney token and commerce platform. So once we've launched the token on mainnet, we want to also launch the ability to easily exchange Chimoney with Bitcoin Cash and also exchange that for like laptops and devices. And like I mentioned before, we're going to launch an API and SDK for developers by September. And then finally, in November, we want to get Chimoney in the hands of thousands of developers at hackathons. So by sponsoring prizes for the use of Chimoney API and SDK. And then finally, by December, we want to run a campaign. We're calling it the Shop with Chimoney campaign that would enable people to shop for Christmas gifts with Chimoney. So I'm really excited about the potential of Chimoney, and I hope you are too. Please let me know if you have any questions, and if you want to collaborate, I'm always happy to chat. Thank you.